Hi everyone, I'm Local 10's Chief Meteorologist Betty Davis. Let's give you the latest on Hurricane Irma. As of 11 p.m. Tuesday, it is a Category 5 hurricane still with maximum sustained winds of 185 miles per hour, moving west-northwest at 15 miles per hour, already nailing parts of the Leeward Islands and will continue to rake over parts of those islands going from Tuesday night into early Wednesday, and thereafter it will impact portions of the Virgin Islands and into Wednesday, Puerto Rico. Late Wednesday, it'll start to move away from that north coast of Puerto Rico, may actually skim the coast of Puerto Rico. That north coast, also areas of Hispaniola, it's going to pass pretty close to that north shore, and then between Cuba and the Bahamas, it's going to start its journey as we're moving through Friday, and by this weekend, notice in the projected path, it'll be within the vicinity of South Florida, forecast to remain a powerful hurricane, a major hurricane all the way. Still some uncertainty in terms of the track. Will it be right over South Florida, or will it be just to the west or just to the east? So that is where the uncertainty lies. Either way, it appears we can expect some impacts from Hurricane Irma, so we should prepare for such. On the short term, our weather here in South Florida is pretty benign and typical, and certainly hot and humid, forecasting high temperatures to reach the lower 90s the next several days. Factor in the humidity, it's going to feel like the triple digits. Rain chance anywhere from 30 to 40%, so from time to time you get a passing shower. Friday night, a building breeze. As early as Saturday, tropical storm force winds could start across the area, and then of course whatever Irma has to offer up, we'll be looking for that to move in Saturday and certainly into Sunday. Hopefully by Monday, Irma will start its journey away from us. So that is where we stand right now with Hurricane Irma, I should say, forecast to stay very powerful as it reaches the vicinity of South Florida this weekend. Have a great Wednesday and good luck with your preps.